Competing protests outside the High Court this morning. One group here to support Noel Conway's battle to end his life in the way he wants. Another warning that judges shouldn't open up a dangerous legal door. Noel himself was here in March. Motor neurone disease will eventually leave him unable to move, talk or breathe for himself. That, he said, isn't how he wants to die.
I don't want to go through the agony and suffering of being what I would consider to be some kind of living zombie.
Noel Conway's team is arguing in here that people should be allowed to end their own lives, but only in very particular circumstances. They should be terminally ill with less than 6 months to live, and they should retain the capacity to make the decision and to take the drugs which would end their lives themselves. That, they say, really makes it a very narrow group of people indeed. That group will soon include Christy. She has advanced breast cancer, and she told me the uncertainty over her death is making the life she has left a real struggle.
I want to die still being me, not a shell of myself. I want to be able to know that that is organised, and when I know it's enough, then it can happen. And if I knew all of that, I would have it off my shoulder now.
But there's concern from campaigners about how new laws could end up being used. Nikki believes soon elderly and disabled people would feel obliged to offer to end their own lives.
It sends out a message to society. There's a bunch of people here who really would be better off dead. And people then start adding value to whether you should be around or not.
Noel Conway's case will likely carry on beyond the end of his life, but it could affect the way we all look at our final days. Dominic Reynolds, 5 News at the High Court.